Yo, mama! Nah, it doesn't feel right on this keyboard. What about this old man over here? It's a little bit better, but still a bit rusty. Nah, I don't like it. How's it gonna feel to type yo mama on this keyboard and then rage quit from your favorite game? What is the selling point of the SIKAKEYB mechanical keyboard? It's highly customizable and it can connect up to 5 devices at the same time. That means you can connect your laptop, your toaster, and your mom's TV. Let's see what it's all about. We have 2 different keyboards from SIKAKEYB. One of them is the yellow version. This is the pro gaming version. And the other one is the white version. It's more like for your office space kind of vibe. What is the difference between the 2 of them? One of them, the pro gaming one, has a harder downforce. It's harder to click those buttons, but it also offers that really nice feeling of like click, 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 click. And then the white keyboard, which is used for your office environment and typing, it's got a softer, quieter typing experience. You're not disrupting your neighbor in the office when you're typing away. So the yellow one has 50 plus minus 15 grams of force, and the white one has 38. So I was correct. Yes, the white keyboard has a lighter gram force, and it comes in this really nice box. It's quite a heavy little keyboard. It won't break.
But I noticed it's smaller.
It is quite small. This is smaller than your standard keyboard. Yeah. It's smaller than your standard keyboard and it still feels really nice and sturdy. Ooh, wow, okay, that's a lot softer. Yeah, the typing is already a lot softer than your... Oh, shh. Let's try in here. I would like to hand in my resignation. Bye-bye. Oh, okay, that's quite nice. Oh, this is actually noisy. Okay, let's actually check. There you go. You can see the inside, the organs of the keyboards. Your white one, office environment, and your yellow one, gaming environment. Amongst the white and the yellow, they've also got a blue pro, a brown pro, and a silver pro. So that's 5 in total, and all of them have a slightly different forces and slightly different uses. It does feel gentle. The keys are easy to press. They don't like, there's no click on it. It just like goes pretty smoothly compared to what's supposed to be the white quiet keyboard. It's also a nice typing experience, but it's a lot more noisy compared to the gaming keyboard, which is kind of weird. Not exactly what they said it would be, but it's still a nice experience. Okay. I think I prefer the white keyboard in terms of typing. And I mean, this one's nice to type as well, but it's a lot more, I don't know if I've pressed the button, you know? Like it goes down, but I don't get that experience of, oh, I've clicked the button. F, U. They actually put the keyboard on the MacBook. So I want to try that out. I'll show you how it looks. They put it like right here, okay? So I guess this is if you really don't like the MacBook keyboard and when I first saw this advertisement, I was like, what the fuck is the point of that? But when I have it here, it does feel more ergonomical. You can connect up to 5 devices, and here they have a picture showing like a MacBook screen, an iPad, and 2 iPhones, plus your computer. I don't know what the hell the point of that is. I don't know why you'd want to connect up to 5 devices, so we're going to test it out and see if it's actually useful for anything. So we're over here now, and I want to show you what it's like to transition. Hello everybody. Please like and subscribe. Otherwise, Nikki will bash my brains out. And then we have connected to the laptop. Which one's the laptop? Boop. Boop. And that's it for your keyboards, guys. Pretty cool. I'm pretty impressed. When I first saw this keyboard, I didn't think it was going to be that useful, but bless me, Jesus. It does work kind of well, and I'm impressed by the quality. Too, for $80, not bad.